What up, Trusted Signals? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over BTC settings that will save your crypto portfolio. This sell signal came in at 45,000 and I was able to exit my BTC position and save my capital gains. Also, I use these signals to enter the Forex market. This is very helpful if you're someone that wants to make a quick scalp entry. So I'm going to show you the settings I use, which work for me, and a little bit on how I like to use Trusted Signals together with the trend meter. Let's go ahead and dive right into this. All right, so here I have BTC pulled up and I'm going to go over the strategy very quickly that I like to use to enter and exit my position. So one thing that is very important to me is having 3 or more confirmations. So in this case, we have one confirmation being the sell signal together with the trend meter being bearish. How does the trend meter work? The trend meter basically works with having multiple horizontal lines, as you see right here, needing to match with a vertical line on the same color. So having multiple red horizontal lines together with a red vertical line, that is a bearish market. It's very important to note that it has to be 3 or more horizontal lines like you see here. So here we have a bearish trend together with the sell signal, and lastly, having the sell signal come close to a resistance line. Having these 3 confirmations was a go for me to exit my BTC position on my crypto exchange. Once I saw this confirmation, I went into the 4-hour and it also was very close on the 4-hour time frame. So here we are on the 4-hour and look at this sell signal that came in on BTC. This sell signal that came in just a bit earlier than the trend meter, giving us a bearish indication. You could see that at the sell signal, we have a push to the downside where BTC lost over 40% of its value. So this is extremely valuable to have because you can exit your position right before the prices of crypto drops. And now I'm going to go into the settings of the main Trusted Signals indicator and show you what settings I have on BTC. So pretty simple. I just have V2 scalp trading on and that's it. That's the settings I use for BTC. I feel like these are great for BTC. And also I would highly recommend playing with the ADX filter. This ADX filter is going to either remove unwanted signals or add a little more. And I would recommend using the ADX filter to receive less signals if you're someone who is strictly buying the physical cryptocurrency and swapping out to a stable coin at certain moments of the market. This is something that I found that works for me, just putting 34, 36, and using this as a guideline. You guys, these setting videos and these recommendations are what works for me, but you guys need to figure out what works for yourself and really dive deep into these tools and craft these tools to work around you. So use my settings as a baseline, but really customize them to your liking to work around you. Because every trader is different. So your way of trading and the way that you see the markets might be a little different from the way that I see the markets and the way that I trade. So let's go ahead and take this off for now and check out the smaller time frame where I entered the Forex market. So here we are on the 15-minute and I actually have the ADX filter off. So I was actually waiting for a buy opportunity after seeing such a huge push to the downside on BTC. And again, applying the same strategy and the same 3 confirmations. One being this buy signal, the second being the trend meter, and lastly, having it near a support area. This support line with Trusted Signals gives me an indication that there is support here. After seeing this buy signal, I waited for a small retracement and entered. And following that signal, you can see a significant push to the upside, and that was my profit. So again, this is what it looks like and was my positioning I made on BTC. Something that you also can do. I was able to capitalize on this movement, have my 3 confirmations, and be in and out of the market. Another valuable thing that I want to go over is exiting your position. You have TrustedSignals auto resistance and support lines to use as a guideline to exit your positions. So having this as an entry, seeing price move up, once you see a resistance line being created or a support line, depending on the direction of the trade, you know that it's a good time to exit your position. So in this case, this resistance line is a clear indication that, hey, the market might just turn around at this point. Either secure your profits or exit your position. Or you can also use the dynamic take profit for an extra confirmation to exit those positions. Well, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you're able to find some value in it. And if you did, please do give it a like and subscribe. Like this video, share it with your friends and family who are looking to improve their trading system. Once again, thank you so much, TrustedSignals. I hope you have a wonderful and profitable weekend. Until next time, TrustedSignals, let's go.